Experience this year's Progressive Insurance Chicago Boat RV and Sales Show in an entirely new way with the new Chicago Boat Show Pass. Use the show pass to buy, store, and share tickets, create a personal show schedule, navigate the show floor, find boats at the show with Boat Finder, collect product information, get exclusive deals, and play games to win cool prizes. Getting started is easy. Download your Chicago Boat Show Pass app now, follow the prompts to register, and buy your show tickets. That's it. See you at the show.